Hello everyone, welcome back to Senegalese Twisted. In my last video, I talked a little bit about the Monument of African Renaissance, and today I want to talk about the controversy of this particular monument. According to former President Abdoulaye Wade, the monument symbolizes the African Renaissance, prosperity, and it's supposed to include the whole continent and its diaspora. However, it was built by a North Korean company. According to Wade, it's because they are experts in constructing large public monuments, which makes it anything but African Renaissance. Does he want to tell me that on the whole African continent and its diaspora, he couldn't find a company or people to create and make a monument? Really? In addition, the price card on the monument is $27 million, which is about 15 billion francs CFA. However, former President Wade has said he didn't pay the full price as he negotiated a deal with North Korea in which Senegal would give them 30 to 40 acres of real estate, which is sketchy. However, what is more sketchy is that at one point, former President Abdoulaye Wade announced that he would take about 35% of any revenue the statue made. For those who don't know, the monument is actually a museum which you can visit, but you need to pay for it. He chalked all this up to property rights. Luckily, opposition leaders counteracted this. Also, as you can see, the sculpture is of a muscular, bare-chested father holding a woman who isn't wearing much clothing with one hand and uplifting a naked child in the other, which is not necessarily a representation of a typical African family, nor does it comply with Senegalese culture nor Islam, especially the clothing, or rather the lack thereof. Also, at the time the monument was built, around 2008-2010, there was a global financial crisis, and the $27 million it cost to build could have been better spent, for example, by creating jobs, investing in education, healthcare, and tackling poverty. And I'm sure that there's more controversy to the statue, but I think these are the most important ones. If you have ever been to the monument, let me know what you think of this. If you haven't visited, is it still something you want to visit? Knowing the controversy of the monument, definitely let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.